Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show how to create awesome content sliders in WordPress using the Block Slider Pro plugin. This plugin works with the default block editor in WordPress and lets you make all kinds of slideshows. Plus, it comes with ready-made templates to help you get started faster. You will find the plugin link in the video description. Once you've installed the plugin, you'll notice a new menu called Block Slider. Click on that and then hit Add New to begin crafting your slider. Now, you'll see 4 options to start with, but for today's tutorial, we'll build one from scratch. We've got a blank canvas to work with. Let's add some structure by inserting a columns block into our slide. Choose a layout that suits your content. Now let's make it look good. Add a title on the left and some text below it. You can change the style to match your website. Then add a button. You can change its color, size, and shape to make it stand out. Time to tweak our slider settings. Go to the main slider block here. We have all the settings we need. Let's add some padding like 100 pixels. Now moving on to the second column. Here, we'll add a row block and within that, a cover block. We'll disable the inner blocks toggle, adjust the overlay, and set the minimum height and width to 550 pixels and 350 pixels. Inside the cover, we'll add a title in white and customize it text below it. Once that's done, we'll duplicate it and change the images and text. Back to the first column and set the content alignment to vertically centered. Below our columns, we'll add another row block. Here we can put in things like social icons and a heading. Don't forget the slider control block. When our slider design complete, we'll duplicate the slide and change the content. Lastly, we'll revisit the main slider block to configure settings like navigation and slide looping. Now, let's add our slider to a page. Simply navigate to the desired page, insert a slider block, select your slide, set it to full width, and hit Publish. And there you have it. Your awesome slider is now live on your WordPress site. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Catch you next time.